just came back from the beach and we decided to cook at home today. I've ordered everything. I'll be making some mushroom fritters, and this is the Enoki mushroom, this one. I am a big fan of this, and we don't get it easily in our country, so I love it. First thing that I ordered. And I also I've marinated some chicken. Very basic spices only I have. I don't have much spices, so I just put some salt, pepper and garlic in that right now, nothing else. So yeah, we'll all be preparing it and really hope it turns out good. This is the first meal that I'll be cooking here in Krabi this time. Cooking here is so amazing because
it's very relaxing.
It's very relaxing, yeah, because I can sit and cook. I don't have to stand and do all of that. Plus, there are a lot more things available than other Airbnbs in comparison to other Airbnbs. They're like in Thailand, there's this proper mixer which is available, and a lot of these pots and pans. A lot of them. That is quite nice. This is fun.
So very chilled cooking.
Yeah, it just feels like I'm here at a hot pot restaurant or something. Talking and cooking side by side. This is nice. I like this type of cooking. So it's a very, very simple, I mean, I won't even call it a recipe. It's just a very simple sort of a meal that I'm cooking. I'll just be frying these onions first. These type of onions are also very, very different from what we get in India. We get like pink onions in India. These are different, and I love cooking with them because cutting them, cooking with them, it's like super easy. Plus they're like a little more sweeter for me. I think it's marinated quite well.
Yeah.
Smells so good already. I'll also be adding this cube. It's a soup base actually, but I know that this tastes like really good, so that's why I ordered this one. It's a chicken soup base basically, which I'm using as the only spice in my little thing that I'm cooking.
This is the solution we have. Yep. So, I think that would work.
Nikhil's idea.
I think the cover worked.
Yeah, pretty well.
It had a lot of steam in it.
Yeah.
It
Smells good, yeah.
You want to add some noodles or something in this?
I can.
I think that
That'll
would
be
make
tasty, yeah.
That would make it a lot more filling.
Yes. Instant noodles, mee goreng, Indomie. So we get this also with this.
You want to put that? Or do you
Yeah,
want to
that'll
save
be
it?
great. No, that'll be great, no?
More flavors?
Yeah. Anyway, this is like delicious. The flavors in this one, so good. Ideally, I did not want to use any instant or packaged thing. That's why I was saying we can have it with bread. But then this is a good idea actually.
Yeah. You're going with the flow.
Yep. I love the idea. some soy sauce, basically
Some chili sauce, some oil.
some chili sauce, and this is onion oil.
Onion oil.
Yep.
Should I do that?
I don't even know what this will taste like, because right now
It's
this
a little
has
bit of
Indonesian
everything.
noodles. Yeah, this has Indonesian noodles, Thai ingredients, and Indian woman making it. So
Multinational cuisine.
multinational cuisine. I like that.
So should I just cover it and it'll be
Yeah,
done by
it'll be
itself?
soft. Yeah, then.
It's right behind you.
Ooh. Wow, Nikhil. This actually looks really good, to me at least. Wow.
I think the chicken is done.
Yeah.
You wanna try it out?
Yeah, I'll give you a
Take it out.
piece.
Take it out. Please.
I'll give you a piece to try. Here. Hot, okay?
Yeah.
Careful.
I think it's done.
Done. How does it taste to you?
It
I like
really
it.
Nice.
I think I really like it.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't think I really like it. I do really like it. Good
Alright.
job, Nikhil and Trisha. I'll just put a little bit of coriander. Is that okay with you?
Yeah. I think you can stop the cooking process now and cover it for like 5 minutes.
This one is a big success. It's so good. It's just so amazing. I've also started making the second thing, Enoki fritters. This is the first time I'm trying to make this, so I'm not quite sure if it'll turn out well or not. But I just saw it somewhere and I wanted to try to make it. Let's see. Let's really hope it turns out well. The food was so good. Even the Enoki mushroom fritters turned out to be really tasty. So we've had food now. Just by going to the sea and swimming in the pool, already feel super exhausted. But we're still going on. We'll sit to work at least minimum for 2 hours because we are lagging behind by a lot already, and that is not even by the old content. I'm not even talking in context of the old content. I'm talking in context of the new content, already lagging behind there. So to really catch up. Other thing is that Nikhil and Priyansh are cutting dragon fruit for us. Yesterday we got dragon fruit from this little was this like a white van, big van? What do we call it? Van only? Or
It was a
it was a truck.
yeah.
Like a pickup truck.
Yeah, it was like a pickup truck, and we got 3 kg dragon fruit for 100 baht, which is roughly like for Indian audience, because I know that conversion in my head, roughly around 260 rupees, which I think is amazing. So good already. How does it taste, the dragon fruit? Is it good or
It's tasty.
tasty na?
Delicious.
Kaisa?
Delicious.
On that note, this was a short cooking video. A video like this we've never posted. We just felt like sharing this with you all. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up. And many more videos coming soon. For right now, enjoy the rain. We'll see you next time.